Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a repeating appointment in Outlook calendar. This is incredibly useful when you need to schedule regular meetings, weekly check-ins, or any recurring event without having to manually create each one individually. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and logging into your account. Once you're logged in, give it a moment to load all your emails and sync your data. This ensures everything is up to date and ready for you to work with. Once your emails have fully loaded, it's time to navigate to the calendar section. Look toward the bottom left part of your screen where you'll find your navigation menu. Here you'll see several icons representing different sections of Outlook. Click on the calendar icon to switch over to your calendar view. This is where all your appointments, meetings, and events are managed. Now that you're in your calendar menu, the next step is to create a new appointment. Look at the top left part of your screen and you'll find a button labeled New Appointment. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up an appointment creation window where you can configure all the details for your recurring event. Here's where the magic happens. In the appointment creation window, look for a button called Recurrence. This is the key to transforming a single appointment into a repeating one. Click on the Recurrence button and a new window will appear specifically for setting up appointment recurrence. This is where you'll define how often and for how long this appointment should repeat. In the appointment recurrence window, start by filling in the appointment time field. This sets when your appointment will occur each time it repeats. Next, you'll need to set the recurrence pattern. Outlook gives you several options here: daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly. Choose the pattern that best fits your needs. For example, if you're scheduling a weekly team meeting, you'd select weekly. After setting the pattern, you need to define the range of recurrence. This tells Outlook when the repeating appointments should start and when they should end. Use the date picker below to select your desired range. You can set a specific end date or choose to have it repeat indefinitely if needed. Once you've configured all these settings to your liking, click on OK to apply them. And that's essentially it. Now all you have to do is send this appointment to your recipients. When you send it, they'll receive a recurring appointment notification that will be automatically added to their calendars according to the schedule you just set up. This saves everyone time and ensures consistency across all participants' calendars. You've now successfully set up a repeating appointment in Outlook Calendar, making your scheduling process much more efficient. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.